Are you ready to keep more of your real estate profits in 2025? Whether you're flipping your 10th property or managing rentals, knowing the right tax strategies can make a massive impact on your bottom line. Let's kick things off with depreciation. This is honestly one of the most underrated tax benefits for real estate investors. I get to deduct the wear and tear on my properties every year, even if they're actually going up in value. For residential properties, it's spread out over 27.5 years, and for commercial, it's 39. But here's the kicker. With bonus depreciation and Section 179, I can sometimes write off major improvements much faster. The key? I keep detailed records. Every renovation, every upgrade, every dollar counts. Next up, let's talk about expenses. Operating costs like mortgage interest, insurance, marketing, repairs, and even legal fees. These can all chip away at my taxable income. I make sure to track everything throughout the year, so when tax time comes, I'm not scrambling to find receipts or missing out on deductions. Now, here's where a lot of investors slip up, mixing personal and business finances. I learned early on to never use my personal card for business expenses. Having a separate business account makes tax prep so much easier. And honestly, if the IRS ever comes calling, I'm not sweating it. Thinking bigger? If my real estate income's growing, setting up an LLC or S-Corp could be a game changer. Not only do I get liability protection, but depending on my setup, I could save on self-employment taxes. An S-Corp lets me pay myself a salary and take the rest as distributions, which aren't subject to payroll taxes. But I always check with a tax pro before making the leap. Here's another secret weapon: tracking travel and vehicle expenses. All those trips to properties and client meetings add up. The IRS lets me deduct either the standard mileage rate or my actual car expenses, whichever saves me more. I use a mileage app to make it painless. And don't forget about estimated tax payments. As a real estate pro, taxes aren't withheld automatically, so I make quarterly payments to avoid penalties and that last-minute panic in April. Bottom line, the right tax strategy means more money in your pocket and less stress. Staying organized and proactive is everything. If you want personalized advice for 2025, reach out to a pro who specializes in real estate. Maximize your profits, minimize your headaches. That's the goal.